Hello everyone and welcome back my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope you are doing well. So dear friends, today I am back with a very beautiful and very useful collection of wardrobe. In this video you will see the very wonderful wardrobe design. I hope that you're gonna love this collection. All the wardrobe design beautiful, so stunning and classy. That after watching this video, I hope that you're gonna love all the decor design. In this video, you're gonna love these video wardrobe design ideas. These are basically for wardrobe and this is the best collection for them. So just watch this video till the end. You will get many ideas, many designs from this video. I hope that you're gonna love this wardrobe design collection just like you love the other collection on my channel. Precious collection, your positive feedback tells me that you're loving my video and my video are useful and helpful for you. Just keep watch this video till the end. I may bring more useful video for you, more useful ideas for you, and thanks for your appreciation or precious videos. So in this video you will see the luxurious wardrobe and for those people who love to modern wardrobe ideas, this is a best collection for them. They will get many beautiful design, very beautiful ideas from this video. I hope that they are going to love this collection and they are gonna find this collection. Very half of them proved very useful for them. So just keep watch this video till the end. While get from my video, hey guys, these designs are so nice. It will help you to choose for guests. You will get ideas from them. So I hope that you are loving this design. I wish of more collection who want to watch my channel. Do subfields or messages repeat you? Tell me all this in the comment section and give to support me by sharing my video with your friends, with the relatives. And thanks for your appreciation on my precious